How to convert Google Sheet to Excel format. Hi everyone, in this following video I'll be showing you the ways to convert a Google Sheet to Excel format. So for that case you have to go and open up your Google Sheet first of all. When you open up your web browser or Google Sheet, then you can go and type in Google Docs/spreadsheet. So when you type in docs.google.com, it's going to take you to their official page. So over here, you need to go ahead and tap the file button from the top right hand side corner. And basically to convert your Google Sheet, you have to open up the file first of all, or the particular files that you wish to convert, and then once again go and select file from the top, and then make sure to click the download button. And next to download, you need to make sure to select Microsoft Excel. Once you select Microsoft Excel or the format option, now ensure that your Excel document has the right format and information, and after that you can go and open up your Excel and access the format. So that's basically how you can convert Google Sheet to Excel format. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.